2016 Ford Mustang cabin filter. It's a lot easier if you lower the glove box. Just going to remove this damper first, and all you got to do is pull up on it and it will unclip. And then you pull it out. Alright, then you're going to push these in over here. Okay, you're going to go in here. The cabin filter is located inside this box right here. Okay, but it's retained with a screw that you're going to have to remove. Okay, so here's the screw. And it's a Torx. I think it's a T20. You can use a little flathead screwdriver also. You're going to have to remove that. And what you can do is you can come up from the bottom down here. Okay, from the very bottom. It's open down there, but just for the video sake of recording this thing, it's easier to record from here. You can just lower the door. Okay. The door's kind of hanging up back there in the back. Here's the door. So it puts the cabin filters right here. Just pull it out. Alrighty. That's how you get to the cabin filter on a Ford Mustang 2016.